Mbiyamono homurikito Josephat Yamisa soroboti rwa senchira yobo ikiranugo tigana nayibono mwanchi umurigereria nigo yate bakana kumanyakana so bwasi olebuna serikali ya Kaunti ya Kisii nigebwate gwetania abakoli emeremo embeo elibweyemo ase Kaunti babere bakonyore ningo nakoli omusara kiri umutinyi batali meremo yankolenga no Gavana we Kaunti ya Kisii Simba Arati oyiba igobwatana nekyombe gya serikali gya robotu kina bateuna abakoli emeremo abwembeo babere bakonyore ningo batali meremo roboti rwa senchira yobo ikiranu na Dread Magega yomo Gavana bwe Kaunti ya Kisii Simba Arati gutangasa bene asomwa kwetanga Kaunti ya Kisii nigebwate abakoli emeremo embeo gose ghost workers bono aselitkolia lero nigo ekyombekelia choletwe iligokora obulingolia kurwa se Institute ya Human Resource Management ikyokere ekyombegia serikali omotenelio oyole omoswati Krish Abdulilai abekire tene nibuna abakoli emeremo elibweyemo na 34 nigo bale abembeo
established that we have 1,314 ghost workers that did not show up for the exercise. Out of the 147 employees who have the PWD certificate, 100 of them are not valid. 270 employees with relatives, have about 270 employees without personal numbers, and that means they are being paid outside the IPPD system.
Engane yaleta omongsomo nene asomo yego yoni go yairera omugavana bwe Kaunti ya Kisii Simba Arati koiranelia asate babuna mbachiko enekya buna mbachiko imukeliwa egetambukero kolengana nelichiko
nige tekeve n'abantu bamene retina abalemo bale ni amoja 37 to ukole audit umwe mugati certificate cyo balema cyo mulimo abantiri bweyemo ya tatu na kumi n'abantembeo. You can imagine these people, they were here close to 2 months. They had the head counter, the head office at ATC. They went to some counties. They came back. Some of the people traveled from Egypt. Those ones who are studying to come and do what? The county. Nimepata, asante, nimepata, Hassan, I can drive like a king. Pia wewe ukijua kwamba you are a ghost worker, start looking for some ticket to travel to Uganda or to some parts of this, because this one, you have costed us so much as a county. You must, and I'm happy to say, we surcharged some of these people. And those ones who help them to do these wrong things, they must be held responsible.
Ase chinga kecho omosubati Krish Abdulilai nigo ateba emerobelio eliega neri kobwatiwa asegati yabo yarenge eyeiga.
The economic stimulus package consolidated cases, which are about 906 staff. Their contracts are expiring in May 2023. We recommend that the county can get more funding for the ECB from the National Treasury as a strategic intervention.
Boigo nigo asaba omugavana gochokoba imukelia egetambukiro egetindi bali barachie kwenyora asoroboturu.
Employees who have benefited to be surcharged, officers who approved the irregular promotions to be disciplined, develop performance management framework.
Ripoti ya Ndizi TV ilitaliane Mildred Momanyi.